Okay, tell me the hazard and what you're doing about it.
Car on my left, slow down a little bit way.
Yeah, he's crossing the road.
Stop.
Yeah. And next street, turn right. Look at the. Okay, tell me the hazards and what you're doing.
Oncoming traffic to my right. Oh, he goes
No,
right.
you go ahead.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you're supposed to go that way.
Stop.
He's that way. Yeah, because you look at the two gaps there. All right. Oh shit!
That was not me, eh?
No. Oh fuck. Ah.
That was not me.
No, it's okay. The guy was